Hello, my beautiful people. Welcome back to my channel. How you people doing? I hope you people are doing okay. People are sending me message, do this video. There's a bonus. There's a bonus. Since day before yesterday, my WhatsApp is filled up with message about bonus, 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 bonus. I say I have to wait until they sign it for me to understand it very well before I can come outside. You understand? So since they have signed it yesterday, I decided to come outside today. And before I explain who is going to take the bonus, who is going to benefit from the bonus, first of all, Nigerians or black, why are we like this? I thought you people said you are not a black man. Don't. This is not black man disease. It's for only white people. But you people are so interested about the bonus that come with it. Nigerians, you people should fear God. Fear God. You people said this thing is not for black man. Don't. Is not. This virus is not for black man. But you people are so interested. You people are not even concerned about this country. This country. What is going on in this country, how this thing will shake people. You people did not even think about it. The only thing you people that will come to you people brain is the bonus that want to come with this virus. We should fear God. Bonus, 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 bonus. Sorry to disappoint you people. This bonus is for people that is working. So if you are not working, forget about it. Forget about it. Because I don't understand. You people say this thing, this sickness is not for black man, though. It's for only white people. It's this one, though. It's the other one, though. But you people are so interested about the bonus that will come with it. Sorry, this bonus is for people that is working. Let me explain it. Because of my good subscriber, my good Nigeria people that have conscience, that know that no matter anything, this country allow us to stay here. We're supposed to join hands and help them to fight this thing. If there's any way you can help. Even some people, they say they should stay at home. They did not stay at home. They are still walking up and down. Still walking up and down. The rate is going up every day. But all we think about is the bonus. If everybody die in this country, who will share the bonus for you people? Who will share the bonus? We should fear God. I'm doing it because of my good Nigerian people. Not for those people that say they is white man sickness. Let it finish them. So, first of all, the Prime Minister, Giuseppe Conte, signed the bill 25 billion to help their people. Receive this thing is the family. People, the family that respect the law, that stay at home. They respect the law, as they say everywhere should be shut down. They respect the law and they stay at home. And secondly, people that partita IVA, that have partita IVA, like people that is in autonomous. Because as they close down their shop, they are not receiving any income. They are not selling, they are not buying. So how will they pay their tax? You understand? So they say they will stop it. They will not pay until the situation on the ground finish. You understand? Until this wahala finish, because there will be reception. Until the reception finish, they will not pay their tax. So each person in the family that is working, they will pay either if the wife or the husband is working. Because of this issue, they stay at home. They will pay them 500 to 600. And thirdly, if you are working, you are a single mother that is working, you always leave your children with babysitter and all those things, and now you are not going to work, you are at home taking care of those children, they will give you 600 euro till this recession, this crisis, till this crisis finish. And for doctors, because even the salary they are paying the doctors is not that much before. So for all the doctors that risk their life, that stay all this while in the hospital from morning till night and all those things, trying to save people life, they will add 1,000 euro to their salary until this crisis finish, until, because there will be reception. So, and for people that buy house, because of this thing, they will not remove any money from their account. You know, when you buy house, it's bank that borrow you money. Every month they'll be removing it from your account. As you are working, they'll be removing it from your account. So they said they will stop it, they will not remove until this recession finish. You understand? And they will reduce light bill until this thing finish. So they will, I've said it, they will pay babysitters. People that have babysitter, they will pay 600 until this thing finish. And for people for people that maybe because of this thing you did not go to work, the person you are working with sack you, that you should not worry, they will pay. As the person sack you, they will be paying you every month, maybe until this thing finish or until you get another work. So all hope is not lost, so that many people will not go into depression, because after this thing now, everywhere we strong, because people lose a lot of money, buy food stuff and be putting in the house. They are not receiving any income, so they want to use it to help people that is working, so that they will not go into depression. So my fellow Nigeria, if you are not working, this bonus is not for you. Even me that is talking to you, it's only my husband that is working. So me, I'm not working, so I'm not getting anything from the bonus. I'm using myself as a example. I will not get anything from the bonus, because why? It's only my husband that is working normally. I'm not working for the now. So if you are not working, you and your wife are not working, they will not pay you already. Because why? Even this recession, even this crisis is not on ground, you are not still going to work. You are still at home taking care of the children. So that is why the money is not for you. It's for how which you and your husband are working, or you are a single parents. They will pay you the money. If you are working, you know, not person that don't have work, or this bonus, you understand? So I hope I've explained it. Thank you very much for watching. Please keep on sharing my video and subscribe. Thank you very much. Drop your comments. I will always respond to you. Bye bye. Until we meet again.